Have you ever noticed how a single color can shift the way you're feeling? Sometimes it's subtle, almost imperceptible. Other times it might feel like it's hit you upside the head. And yet, other times, it's almost like something inside of you quietly exhales. That's what aquamarine does for me. It's the color of a calm breath, or that moment between thoughts when everything stills but nothing is stopped. I call that quiet moment the gap. When I paint with cyan and ultramarine, something happens physiologically. My heart rate slows, my breathing deepens. Color has that kind of power. Scientists actually note that exposure to the blue spectrum can lower blood pressure and relieve tension in the body. And aquamarine, it sits right in the balance between blue and green, between water and earth. It restores emotional equilibrium, gently cooling what feels overheated inside of us. Historically, it's been seen as a symbol of inner peace. Ancient sailors carried aquamarine as a talisman against rough seas, believing it calmed the ocean itself. Or perhaps it was simply calming the fear within the sailor. During the Middle Ages, it was called the Stone of Truth. People believed it helped the wearer speak clearly and from the heart. It has always represented courage, not the loud, heroic kind, but quiet courage, the kind that stands steady when your emotions pull you in every direction. When I'm painting skies like this, those layers of color feel alive. The green tones I laid down earlier aren't gone. They breathe beneath the surface. And that feels like aquamarine's lesson too. Calm doesn't erase chaos. It simply softens it until balance returns. As artists, we sometimes forget that our color choices communicate before words do. Shades of blue calm the nervous system, while greens invite restoration. Together, in that watery harmony we call aquamarine, they bring the mind and heart into synchronization. It's an emotional language, one that every viewer understands instinctively. Within the realm of spirituality, aquamarine is connected to the throat chakra, the energy center of expression. It invites us to speak truth with compassion and listen with presence. For creatives, that means painting, writing, or designing from honesty without apology. When our work carries that vibration, people feel it. Even if they don't know why, they sense calm, courage, and openness. I love thinking about color in this way, as a bridge between science and the soul. The same wave frequencies that our eyes interpret as light also reach into our emotional body. A shift in a hue can shift our state of being. So when we work with color intentionally, we're not just mixing pigment, we're mixing energy. Maybe that's why aquamarine has been associated for centuries with purification, washing away fear and clearing confusion. It reminds us that peace isn't empty or passive. It's a vibrant stillness, one filled with clarity. If you take anything away from today's video, let it be this: your color choices matter. The shades you choose not only tell a story, but transmit a feeling and an energy. Aquamarine teaches us to paint with empathy, to project gentleness into a world that sometimes forgets to be compassionate. If this reflection has resonated with you today, I invite you to join me on Patreon, where I share deeper sessions on painting, symbolism, and the emotional tools so critical within the life of an artist. It's a space for artists who want to grow their vision, their inner peace, and their impact on the world together. Thank you for spending this moment with me and with the color Aquamarine. May your own work bring calm to you today and to everyone who may experience it.